AmzCatalog Creator. Hello and welcome. This is a cloud-based software installed in a password-protected members-only area, so you can use it without downloading or installing anything. Use any PC, Mac, or mobile device to access the cloud software. From the members area, you'll be able to create any number of catalogs. There are millions of Amazon products available for you to choose. Here's a typical example of a basic catalog created for digital camera niche. In addition to Amazon items, you'll be able to insert YouTube videos, banner ads, CPA, or other affiliate offers. You can insert links to opt-in subscription form in your catalog. Here's an example of such a catalog with additional features. As you can see, this is a banner ad with link to related offer. This is a review video embedded from YouTube. Here, link to an opt-in subscription form is inserted. This is a link to a high-converting CPA offer. This way, you can create highly profitable product catalogs in any niche. Here's a typical example of Amazon catalog hosted in a Blogger page. Use this option to insert the catalog into a Blogger. Just click this button and your catalog will be automatically posted to Blogger. Your catalog is ready to start making profits. Here's a typical Facebook page with the catalog we created. As you can see, the catalog is inserted in the iframe tab of a Facebook page. This is a typical example of a catalog inserted in WordPress website. This way, you can create any number of catalogs in any niche available in Amazon Marketplace. This is a must-have tool for every affiliate marketer. Get instant access to this software right now.